packaging, including the clothes, the cartons, everything they use to package their products. All this they do in order to have control over the efficacy of the products. Now, for 2,600 years, for over 2,600 years, traditional Chinese medicine has been helpful and it has been proven to be highly efficacious. There are three product philosophy in For How. The first one is that the efficacy of the products must be obvious. Meaning that if you are taking the herbal drugs, you will feel it in your system that you are taking something and it is changing your health for the better. The second one is that the product should contain 100% natural ingredients. For How has refused to add any substance or any ingredient that is not natural to their products. And the third one is that the formula for the production of their products are so unique, and those products are not supplements. They are not dietary supplements, they are not food supplements, they are medicine. They are traditional Chinese medicine, and they are curative. We even have some of them that are labeled after they have gone through NAFDAC certification that they can be used for treatment. Now, these are NAFDAC certificates for some of the products. Now, For How does not do a group certification for their products. What they have done is they have done NAFDAC registration for every product they have in Nigeria, and what they do is there represented on this certificate. Okay, all right. For How is also registered with halal, meaning that the products can be consumed and can be used by anybody. Okay. Now we have three series of For How products. The first one is the cleansing series, the nourishment series, which I will explain by the time I get to the presentation of each product. Okay. Now, the first one we'd like to talk about is called Divibal. It's a pill. It's an insertion pill for women, and as you can see on the board, these are the ailments that it works for. It works for fibroids, ovarian cyst, tuber blockage, inflammation, discharge, endometriosis, postpartum hemorrhage, hormonal imbalance, and vaginal constriction, and so many more, STIs, STDs, and so on and so forth. And starting from fibroids, in the medical world, surgery happens to be the solution to that case. But so far so good. For 15 years, the company has been able to help women treating fibroids without having to go under the knives. And still today in Nigeria, we still have to defend this with doctors. But thank God that we now have medical reports that can serve as evidence of people that have been treated, running their scan before and after treatment, meaning that you don't need to endanger the lives of any woman rather, before you help them get rid of fibroid. And it is very, very effective. We have medical reports to support that. Same thing with ovarian cyst. All the issues highlighted here, we have medical reports for them that are here in Nigeria, all over the 36 states in Nigeria, that people have used this product. Okay. Then we have another product called Ganoderma, Lindsay, For How Lindsay. It contains Ganoderma, and it is a very effective anti-inflammatory drug. Because of this nature of this drug, it helps in fibroid. It is abnormal cell division and abnormal cell growth. That is why this drug is present in what we use to treat people with cancer, and also for people with fibroids and other similar cases. Now, we have another product called the blood cleaner. The Chinese name is Suikin Fu. About elasticity of blood vessels to enhance blood flow. Now, it prevents high blood pressure. If blood can flow easily and the heart is in good condition, one can easily overcome the problem of high blood pressure. Then high blood lipids and high blood sugar. Then it cures coronary heart diseases, cerebral thrombosis, inhibits the formation of new thrombosis.